Hello, I thought I'd do a quick video for you to do something over the half term with the kids. So I have got some double cream here, which is going out of date. It's 16th of February, so a couple of days. So I might use some of it, and got an empty jar. Did make some pear butter, but I've used all that. So need a lid. Here's my lid. Okay, so we're gonna open this up. Look, I'm gonna pour some cream in, okay? Put the lid on, and you can get the kids to make some butter. You just shake. Make sure your lid's on nice and tight, and you're just gonna shake and shake and shake and shake and shake and do it. Shake and shake and shake and shake and shake and shake. And it all sounds a bit wishy-washy. Oh, really gonna go really try and do it really quickly for you. Shake, 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 shake. Shake, 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 shake. Oh, and it's starting to go. Oh. I'm quite good at this, but it seems to take forever when you want to get it done. I'm on 1 minute 30, still shaking, still shaking. Nice weather today. Nice weather today, and it's gone. Let's see. Oh, look, I've got double cream, solid. So if you want double cream, got a nice cake, you can put on some cake. But if you don't, continue to shake, because you don't want it on the cake. We're gonna shake, and we're gonna shake, and we're gonna move, because I like to move when I do it. Here we go, here we go. Oh, do a bit jumping, Mrs. Bun. Jump, jump, and then you like, over your head. Oh, it's gonna go soon, Mrs. Bun. Oh dear. Oh dear, this takes longer than you think. I'm on 2.5 minutes. So it took, like a minute to get to cream. So, see how long it takes. Tell you what, certainly is a workout. Getting up a sweat here. Okay, I need a plate. I think it's nearly done. Need a plate. Shall we find? See if I can get a plate off. If I get a plate. Here we go. Got a plate. Okay. Oh, my goodness me. Oh, I heard it splodge. Oh, starting to sound watery again. Oh, you could do it with a whisk, but it's more fun if you get everybody involved. But I've got nobody here with me, so stuck. Should we see what it's doing now? Oh, see, I got solid cream like that. Which I said, very tasty, but I don't want that. Oh, let me see. I wonder if Son Bun could come to the rescue. I wonder if he's about. Son Bun! Let's see. Son Bun, do you think you could do some shaking for me?
Maybe.
I've got some helpers. Yeah, trying to make this into butter. It's not going, Brad. Can you shake? Fred, do the shake. Oh, he's good, isn't he? Yeah, good. Shake, shake, shake. So I said, Fred, we've got cream. I'll just eat this. I will be doing that. Oh, come on. Shake, shake. Shake, he's shaking. He's shaking. He's shaking.
Really?
Shaking. I see I'm exhausted. You got it?
I don't know.
Oh yeah, I can hear it starting to go. Oh, yes, yes. Oh, carry on, you get another saucer. Ah. Oh, can you hear that? Hear it. Sunbun's there. Sunbun's got butter. Let's see. Da da da. Sunbun has, look, plate, ready. There's the bit we don't want, liquid. Pour that down the sink. Okay, here we go, here's butter. Bit of butter. What you can do, I'll put it on there, you could add a little bit of salt to it. Oh, what's this in my cupboard? Little cracker. We could get Fred, couldn't we? A little cracker, little knife. And I'm gonna have some butter. On my cracker. Thank you for watching. Bye.